Good morning to all of you. I am Vijay Athekar, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics. Today I am giving introductory lecture of scope and application of modeling and simulation, which is related to subject modeling and simulation, and in discipline BSc FBT and BTech FBT 9 tri-semester. Now we are going to our subtopic and introduction, scope and application to modeling and the simulation. Now first, when we talk about modeling and simulation, first modeling and simulation is the process applied on the system. So we should know about system. What is system? System is the study of the system concept then has three basic implications. It has three basic implications of system. A system must be designed to achieve predetermined objective. Interrelationship and interdependence must exist among the components. And third is objective of the organization as whole have higher priority than the other objective of its subsystem. Model. What is a model? A model is the simplified representation of a real and theoretical system at some particular point of the time and the space intended to provide to the understanding of system. What the level of model retail? Whether a model is good or not good depends on the extent to which provide understanding. What is level of model detail? All the model are simplified of reality, exact copy of reality can be only reality itself. This example of models, there is always trade-off of what the level detail included in the model. Or it is too little detail, the risk missing relevant interaction, and too much detail complicated on understanding. Types of model. Model are divided into basic types, physical and the mathematical. The physical model is scale model, prototype plants, etc. And mathematical model is analytical queuing model, linear programming, and the simulation. Mathematical models, an abstract and the simplified representation of the system, is called the mathematical model. Its specific is important components, assumption approximate, and about the system work, not the exact recreation of the original system. If the model is enough, study it with queuing theory, linear programming, and differential equation. If the model is complex, simulation is only way. What is simulation? It is the experiment in a computer where the real system is replaced by the execution of the program. It is a program that limit the behavior of the real system. Simulation is the limitation of the operation of real world process of the over time. It can be done and the computer. The behavior of the system it involved over the time study the developing simulation model. The, the model takes form the set of assumptions concerning the operation of the system. Their assumptions are expressed in mathematical relationship, logical relationship, and symbolic relationship between the entire system modeling and the simulation. The discipline of understanding and the evaluating the interaction of the part of real and the theoretical system by designing its representation model, executing, running the model including the time and space of simulation. Why simulation? The accurate depiction of reality, the part of the system may not observable, internal, obsolete concept or the biological chip, insightful system evolution, it insightful system evolution. It may be too difficult, hazard, expensive, observe or the real operational system. Uses of simulation. Analyzing simulation before they are built, reduce number of design mistakes, optimizing design, analyzing operation in the system, creative virtual environment and the training entertainment. When the simulation, our year of tradition development have been have take place in computing capability in the special purpose simulation language and the simulation methodology. The use of simulation techniques has become widespread. The following some purpose which simulation may be used. Simulation is a very useful for the experiment with the internal interaction in complex system of the system within the complex system. Simulation can be employed experiment with new design policy before the implementing. Simulation is a very useful in determining changes in the input variable output system. Simulation helps suggest modeling in the system under investigation for its optimal performance. Simulation can be used to verify result obtained by analytical methods and reinforce the analytical techniques. When the simulation is not appropriate, simulation should not be when used. The problem can be solved using common sense, not problem solved by analytical, not if it is easier, perform direct experiment, not cost exceeding saving, not to be resources or the time not available, no data available, not estimate. Simulation is not advised if the manager have unforeseeable, unreasonable expectations set too much so too soon, or power of the simulation is overestimated. If the system behavior is too complex or cannot be defined, simulation is not appropriate. Advantages of simulation for making new policy operation procedure, decision rule, information flow, etc. can be explored without discriminating or ongoing operation of the system. New hardware designing, physical layout, transportation system can be tested without committing resources for the acquisition. Hypotheses about how and why certain phenomena occur can be tested or flexibly. Time can be compressed or expanded for slowdown of the phenomena under the investigation. Insight can be obtained the interaction of the variable. Insight can be obtained about the important variable performance of the system. Simulation study can help understanding how the system operation rather than how the individual think the system operate. Disadvantages simulation model building require the special training. It is the learn over the time rough experience. If the two model constructed by two component individual, they may have similarity but highly unlikely the same. Simulation result difficult to interrupt since the simulation output essentially random. Hard determine whether the observation is system randomness. Simulation modeling and the analyzing the time consuming expensive simulation is used in some cases when the analytical solution is possible, even preferable. Area of application in manufacturing, designing analysis and optimization of production of system, material management, capacity of planning, layout, planning and the performance of the evaluation, business market analysis, prediction of consumer behavior, optimization, marketing strategy, logistic and evaluation of marketing campaign, military, the testing of the alternative combat strategy and air operation, sea operation, simulation, war, practicing, ordnance effectiveness, inventory management. Healthcare application is planning of health services, expectation of patient density, requirement, hospital staffing, estimating the effectiveness of healthcare program. Communication application such as network design, optimization, evaluation of network reliability, manpower planning, seeing missing buffer. Computer application is such as designing hardware, computer operations such as sharing network, economic application, portfolio management, forecasting, government policy, fluent economy, building, market fluctuation, transport application, designing and testing of alternative policy, railways, evaluation of planning. Environment application is solid waste management, performance evaluation, evaluation of population control, biological application is population of genetic and the spread, business process and re-engineering, integrating business process re-engineering with image-based workflow using process modeling analysis of tools. Application is system facility or the process actual plan. Example, manufacturing facility, bank operation, airport operation, transportation and logistic, hospital facility, computer network, business process, criminal justice system, fast food, restaurant, supermarket, teamwork, emergency response and the system. Thank you so much.